Horses in. Hey Jude. Horses out. We have Leo Pace past the begin. Danori inside by Porsaria. Master then in the middle. Then followed by Peace and Love. Hey Jude by Filipino and Manchester. Into the turn they go. We have Leo Pace running on the outside by Porsari. Danori inside. 4 lengths. Watching them is Master. Then followed by Filipino, Manchester, Hey Jude, then Peace and Love. They swing into the back. It's now by Porsari by about 2 lengths. Leo Pace in second, 7 lengths away in third. Master then moving up by Drell, Manchester. Hey Jude by Filipino and Peace and Love. Red still by Porsari by Oralenka and Hapa. Leo Pace once again trying to get closer on the outside. Master then in third by Porsari. Leo Pace is on the outside, fighting it out for the lead as they come down to the last 200. Leo Pace moving up on the outside by Porsari. Master then in third, but it's still by Porsari. Leo Pace racing wide on the outside by Porsari. Leo Pace is on the outside, entering the finish line. It's going to be Leo Pace. Second by Porsari, Master then.
Parang 4-1-3-2, Leon Pace, despite na pabuka pa, no?
Third choice lang yun, ano?
Oo, third choice. Alright, so 4-1-3-2 yung ating datingan po para sa karerang to, yung ating forecast na 4